We have a bit of red in the crypto markets, and when the market's correct, usually things do get scary. But for me, this is actually an exciting period because I get to feel bullish on the coins that I was feeling bullish on when they were 20% higher than they currently are. So why would I not still be bullish on these tokens just because the market looks scary and looks fearful and looks red? Why would I, for example, not be bullish on Audi just because it is down, when a few weeks ago it was at $50+? Why would I be buying at $50 plus just because it was in the green, but not buying when it's $36 when it's in the red just because it looks scary and that it will only keep going down and down and down? So yes, the market corrections in a bull market can be very useful. Obviously, you can't catch a falling knife, you can't predict the bottom, but it can help you really reduce that dollar cost averaging and that unit cost price that you're getting into a cryptocurrency. And if you do buy the red days over and over again, as opposed to the euphoric greedy days, you do eventually actually have a big upper hand on other people in the market because you're constantly buying the fear and you're constantly buying in at a level where most retail investors would never dream of doing so. So we can see this is a big red week, big red day, a pretty crappy looking hour over here. Yeah guys, before we get in, please subscribe to the channel. I also have a massive $3,000 giveaway with 3 lucky winners of $1,000 each. The Twitter giveaway link is down below. Please do enter it if you do want a chance at winning. So yeah, let's talk about it. The market cap of crypto is down to $2.35 trillion. It's not really a bad thing in my opinion. It's not really too bad, but we can see a lot of coins on the red. So what I enjoy doing around sort of this period is go onto CoinMarketCap, where you do your crypto shopping, like the Amazon marketplace of cryptocurrency. And effectively what I'll do is I'll just click the 7-day button and I'll scroll through the coins that have corrected 20-30%, and I'll pick a few that I think, okay, these have got fundamental value, these are utility based, or the market capital is low enough and attractive enough for me to believe that it can still do a 5x realistically. So we could look at a lot of these coins. I'm going to show you some in a minute, the ones that I'm buying. And yeah, if you go back 7 days, they were of course much higher in price, and people would have been FOMOing into those coins because of the greed in the market. So why would you not have the same bullish narrative just because there is a correction in the markets right now? So that's what I want to talk about. We can see we are of course in a Bitcoin season, meaning Bitcoin is leading the market, controlling the market. Alts are kind of sleeping at the moment. So it could be a good accumulation phase for altcoins and meme coins in general. Fear and greed index is 74, but I do think this will come back down a little bit lower. Maybe we'll even visit a neutral market this summer because things are indeed, like I say, boring. Now, one of the coins that I'm buying, I'm going to show you a few right now. So Wormhole is one of the coins that I've just recently bought. Look at this. If you go back a month, this coin, when it was in sort of, this is not even a month. This is literally the start of June. It was at 76 cents. People would have been buying this around this 54 cents price level. I do think we'll see a correction for Wormhole. I think it will come back up in price. Of course, the tokenomics could be a bit better, but I think we can return to the $1 billion market cap. So Wormhole is one of those coins I'm buying. Another is Floki. $1.57 billion market cap. If you look at the year performance, you can see it did make a market cap to all-time high. I don't know if you can see this charts too well because my head's usually in the way. But it's coming back down, and I know for sure a lot of people would have been FOMOing into Floki at these higher regions over here, and to see it on a 50% reduction in price with the downside potential minimized makes me also want to take a risk. So I've bought some of this coin also. Another one I recently bought is Singularity Net AGX, a very nice utility-based coin. If you look at the price from March, when we were really in a proper, good marketplace, the alt season was kicking off, $1.35 was the overall trajectory. And you can see there's not been much token dilution because the market capital and the price charts are very, very similar. And that's a good thing. We're not seeing a heavy inflation rate. We're not seeing lots of tokens emitted into circulation, reducing the unit cost of them. So yeah, bullish. Look at that, low market cap, $600 million. It will hit 1.7, and this could be a corrective phase. If you look at the last month and the price action, it was over $1. Now it's 50 cents. So I had to buy some, just knowing that once upon a time it was $1, and that I personally believe that we are not at the end of this bull run. Another coin. This one is Chinese Donald Trump coin. It's like the only thing, it's a meme coin. It's like the only thing moving up right now. despite the market mess that we're seeing. $18.6 million market cap. There is a big token burn coming soon. Listing on centralized exchanges soon. This is the website right here. Chinese Donald Trump, as you can see. It's a Solana-based meme coin, so you can grab some of this. I'll leave a link down below if you want. If you really like the look of it, I think it's going to keep on going, and I do aim to see a $60 to $100 million market cap with this particular coin. Liquidity, of course, locked in, and has a DEX tool score of 99 of 99. So, yeah, this is another one that I'm buying during this kind of crisis, because I just think if it's looking this good now, and we're not even in an alt season or a meme market, how good is it going to be in the upcoming weeks and months? So it's another thing that I have to consider. If you guys do want buy signals in this market, do consider becoming a patron. There's only 19 slots available left on the Crypto Legends. If you want to get those early alpha calls, the trading signals, and all the insights that will help you grow your crypto portfolio, it's all down below for you. A couple other coins that I'm grabbing is Saycoin, really bullish on my infrastructure tokens. $1 billion market cap right now, but you can see a month ago it was sitting at the highs of 1.7 billion. You can even see the all-time high was over $2 billion of valuation. So this looks like a decent kind of corrective phase here for this particular token. 3 billion coins of the 10 billion max supply in circulation, and it has been going down a little bit, but 35 cents just feels like a steal for this coin right now. Bullish on this particular infrastructural token, like I say, rank 66 coin. The next one is Sue. We've been talking about this one too quite a bit on this channel. One sec. And you can tell that, well, this one is quite resilient still, if you ask me. It's still in quite a decent looking uptrend, but it was recently at $1.15. You're now seeing 80 cents. The regional, or actual all-time here, was $2.12. As you can see, so that was March as well. And since March, you've got a long way to go. Now, what's interesting about this one, I think we are seeing, unfortunately, quite a lot of token emissions. So the tokenomics could be a little bit flawed, because the market capital is, you can see how different, you know, the price and the market cap looks. And it makes me wonder what happened, like, here in April. Why did the market cap shoot up like quite a lot, but then the price actually just plummeted down? So maybe there was some sort of token release. So that's something to research on, but it's not necessarily a terrible thing, because the market cap is holding nicely. The market cap isn't, like, you know, dumping. Other one is Jupiter. Jupiter over here, the DEX. Now, this actually has just been going down and down and down. I don't know what's going on with this coin. So I would probably question holding it for like many, many years. But just, again, looking at the 7 days, it was $1 not long ago. Also $1.20 not long ago. Maybe you could get a bounce. You could get a 10, 20, 30% bounce on these particular coins. Not holding them for years, but maybe taking advantage of a bounce that may be soon coming. So there's just a few coins I wanted to talk about. And just reiterate the fact of, of what's I going to say? Yeah, going through CoinMarketCap, researching the coins that you're aware of, the ones that you like. Ask yourself, when you are buying them, is it worth dollar cost averaging into? Reduce the average entry price. And really, Bitcoin is looking wonderful. There's nothing really too bad here at all. You're consolidating in the right place. We need Bitcoin to consolidate around here. And the longer we do, the better it will be for everyone. Bitcoin never consolidated for this much time at this price level before. It's never just hovered at $65,000 and stayed at $65,000. It's always hit the euphoric top, corrected. And right now we don't feel euphoria. We don't feel the overextension, the overbought, levels of greed. In fact, we're kind of bored. We're kind of just getting complacent and like, what is happening right now for cryptocurrency? So yeah, it's an interesting one, I would say. So let's see what can happen here. I think 65K is a decent place to be right now for Bitcoin, for crypto. Looking at the global market capital as well. One sec. Looking at the global market capital. Hope you guys can still hear me. Otherwise, this is going to be a useless video. Yeah, we're in a fantastic place. We've not yet hit an all-time high on the global blockchain valuation. So we will be surpassing big tech companies and people will be comparing Bitcoin and crypto to gold again when this sector approaches the $10 trillion mark. I think we're in a good place. We need to relax, let the markets cool down, and give the market time to expand and contract. We don't want to rush this process, because the quicker we rush it, the quicker things are, the quicker things have to come back down. It's better to build slowly and, in a linear fashion, I guess, but we don't really just want to see up. It's okay to have some down, as long as we're 2 steps forward, 1 step back. In a bull market, I think we're still looking good. So that's a wrap, guys. Do be sure to enter my wonderful $3,000 giveaway, which is just down below for you all. And yeah, check out the Twitter, enter my Discord channel, come say hello, don't be shy. Really nice to see 52 retweets there. And check out these altcoins if you like the look of them. There are some that I'm holding. Chuanpu, I'm feeling extremely bullish on. Like I say, not financial advice. All these coins are not financial advice, but there's a few to select from, and let's see what happens in this market. Stay crypto safe, guys. Subscribe if you're new here. Join the Discord. Check out the Patreon, and hopefully we can all grow together. Bye for now. Peace.